In this video, navigation view in SwiftUI. Let's get started. Single view app, navigation view. Yeah. Let's stick on SwiftUI next and create it on desktop. Let's create navigation view and let's just put it here. Navigation board title. Let's give it a text. That says fruits, and let's see if this works. Okay, we have the title here, fruits, and the hello world here. So let's actually make some fruits. So for that, let's actually create, you know what, let's first add the assets here. Mango and an orange. Okay, good. Now what we can do, instead of making this a little bit smaller, let's go back to content view again and let's begin coding. Let's actually create this fruit that we're going to populate here with a struct called fruit for pick string for name string. We will create a view and we'll call it struct fruit view, which is a type of view for fruit that is a type of fruit. For body, we're creating a body of some view, a vertical stack with image, and the image actually is fruit dot pick this thing. Make it resizable. Also, we're going to make it have a frame Let's also have a frame width of 200, height of also 200, and alignment of center. Let's add a clip. Circle. Let's add a shadow of radius 40. Finally, an overlay. Circle, stroke, color dot white with line width of 4. We're done with the image now. So finally, let's just put in here the text. Fruit dot name, yeah, and we need a font here. What do we have got? I want it to be a little bigger. Title, let's try title, and it should be, yeah, it has no errors. So finally, now what we can do here is use this in here. So for that, let's create 2 instances of fruit. Let orange equals a fruit, pick O-R-A-N-G, orange, name orange. Let mango equal fruit, mango, and mango. So instead of text, what we want here is a navigation button that has a destination and label. Let's have the destination say fruit view, and it takes in as parameter what fruit do you want to show. We will say orange, and in the label we will need to have a text with orange dot name, it has a font that should be title here. Okay, again for mango, let's do it again. Navigation button, destination, fruit view with fruit mango. Good. Here again, text, mango dot name. We can just say mango as a string, but first fun in that. Font dot title here. Okay, I think we're done here. Let's see how it looks, and if it doesn't look good, we can always make changes back here. Okay, this screen is fine. This is a title or navigation bar, and these are our 2 navigation buttons. Let's test. I want to test mango first. Mango, and here we're getting mango. We're getting this button where we can go back to fruits, and Let's try orange. And again, we can go back to fruits, mango, back, orange, back. So this has been a simple tutorial on navigation view and using it to navigate between multiple views.